Heidi with Nest Pretty. I am the author of the Nest Pretty Lifestyle Guide. You can get this on Amazon. It is a short, quick read. It's all about how to build a nest one twig at a time. Whether you are setting up your first home for the first time or doing so again after a huge life change. It's just a really nice thing to do, to sit down quietly and reset your mind to build a nest that you love, to build a life that you love. It's brilliant. Use your imagination. Go wild. Welcome to this evening's edition of the Edit. I just asked you, would you wear a uniform? Would you consider wearing a uniform for work? Yes or no? And what are the thoughts you have about it? Would you do it for the freedom? Would you do it for the ease? Would you do it for the, seriously, this is what happened this morning. The first thing I thought of this morning was, what am I gonna wear? I had a very early morning appointment and then I had to go to work. And I said, immediately, you don't have to worry about that because you've decided to wear a uniform. And I said, brilliant. So here is day 3 of the uniform. And basically I added a different necklace. I wore a sweater because I was going to be in air conditioning a lot today. And then I wore my little pink shoes. So what are the thoughts that I have about wearing this uniform? None. Zero. Zip. Getting dressed was a breeze. All I had to do was think about, did I want to add a sweater or not? And what necklace did I want to wear? So inspired by my recent vacation where I packed 10 pieces and only wore 4, I am doing this experiment of the uniform. I love a good uniform, I have to say. I love them. If I see the postman in a uniform, I am thrilled. I would much rather see him in a uniform than in saggy sweats. It just makes me feel better about the whole situation. So why not apply that to myself? Meanwhile, as I promised after my vacation, I was going to bring down my wardrobe. I'm not done yet, but I am already so thrilled with what I took out. I just took out unseasonal things, and I still have more than 10 items, so this is a process. Meanwhile, today's edit. What worked? The uniform. What didn't work? Nothing. How can I make it better? I'm gonna wash it tonight so I can wear it again tomorrow. I hope this inspires you to try it. I really am so curious about what thoughts you have about it. Leave a comment below and have so much fun considering a uniform. Bye.